Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use a built-in compass on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on displayed. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on edge panels. In here, tap on panels. Make sure that you turn on edge panels at the top and then tap on panels. In here, swipe across and then select tools. Make sure it is selected. And then after that, you can tap on the edit button and make sure that you turn on use location data. Alright, once we have added the tools to the edge panels, to use the compass, just swipe out to open up the edge panels. Swipe across if you have more than one widget added. In here, when you see the tools panel, tap on the option key at the top and make sure that you select compass from the menu. And in here, if you have location turn-ons, then it will also give you your current locations. And to simply use the compass to detect your directions, just simply move your phone around. So at the moment, you can see there is a line at the top here. It is telling me that I'm facing north. So I'm facing north that way. And if I'm pointing the phone this way, then if I'm standing facing this way, then I'm facing west. And that is how you can use the compass. So when I'm facing west, it will show 290 degrees west or northwest. And that's it. That's how you can use the built-in compass on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now, if this is the first time you're using the compass, you will need to calibrate the compass. You can do it by simply moving in a figure 8 motions. So once you have calibrate your compass, you will be able to use it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.